Hey guys, welcome back to the Node Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss if you are facing this problem in your cache app. You may face a problem that you have reached the request limit. So how can you fix it? So guys, when you try to request for a sponsor or you may request for money, you may face this type of error that your limit has been reached to maximum. So we can fix it very easily. So simply, guys, 3 to 4 ways to fix this problem. First of all, guys, you may just open the settings and guys you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, there's the option of VPN. If there is a reconnected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then guys you may scroll it down and guys here the option of cache app, so you may click here on cache app and you may just wait for some second, guys. So this interface will be open. Click here on your profile icon and guys here is the option of verify your identity, and guys you may check, guys, if your identity is not completely verified, you may verify your identity and your limit will be increased. The second method is, guys, you may update your cache app and you may check your problem will be fixed. The third method is you may scroll it down and here is the option of limits, so you may check your limits and guys you may try to reset your limits from here. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then you may scroll it down and here is the option of support. So you may click here and you may contact to cache app support team. So you may click here on support and you may contact to cache app support team. So click here on chat, and guys you may tell them to cache app support team your problem and they will fix it and they will increase your limit as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.